So here is alpaca, one of two. Where do we pick them up?
Home Sense.
Pretty nice looking fella.
Very festive for Easter.
So we ran into a problem. We put him in the back of the car. We noticed that the one fella had a bit of a wobbly head. And by the time we got back to my place, well...
Decapitation ensued.
So it turns out these guys are styrofoam. And in this video, you are going to learn how to repair your styrofoam Easter-themed alpaca.
Supplies you'll require for your alpaca recapitation
Is you're gonna need some silicone adhesive. This stuff is just random stuff I have in the bottom of the basement. It's a part container. Just use whatever you got. We just need to get it, just stick it on. Also need some wire. We're gonna make some pins out of that. Need some wire cutters, of course. We'll just make some little pins. And oh, what do we know? We got some cut already. Good. So those are about 3 inches in length. So do half and half. And we'll be sticking those in. But before you start, you got to make sure you need the other piece of equipment. You need to have a beer. This is courtesy of Innocente in Waterloo. It's pretty good.
Hashtag Black IPA.
Black, yep, hashtag Black IPA. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take one of these guys. We're gonna stick him in here, just like so. Oh, it's stubborn. That's good. It's good density styrofoam there.
That's how you know that the head will stay back on once we recapitate it.
And I think I'm gonna want to cut another one. We're gonna do a triangle part here. I think that'll give good structural stability to our alpaca. Okay. Let's cut another one here. Just gotta straighten it out. And we'll just stick her on in like so. Okay. Yep, that's pretty good. Okay.
Now that our spires are in the foam, we will apply the silicone to the spires. Once the silicone is fully applied,
I think we'll do it on both sides. It'll be a better connection. Okay. Ooh, gotta make sure this guy gets behind to match our other guy. So what? He's turning a little bit, isn't he? He's not.
there should be a slight, ever so slight angle.
So like that. About like that, if I go straight down. Let the boat center up.
That looks pretty close.
Hopefully this is good. Ooh.
And then we just got to tidy up the silicone that's come outside of the neck. And we'll be free and clear.
All right, and there you have it. They're good as new. You just check them out here. Good and solid. You'd never know. It's actually this guy. Look, he's solid too. That's the one we repaired. Hey, good to go.
Happy Easter!